Practice, we just worked on being aggressive on the back end of the press, not forcing anything, but if we can cleanly break the press and there's an opportunity to score on the back end quickly, then we want to be able to take that, so that's something we worked on.
Definitely on the back end, we'll look for the opportunities if we push it hard. But yeah, been working on practice a little bit, so hopefully we get some of those.
We have to be consistent on offense, but also on defense, because we need to blow up screens and they're very quick.
I think our schedule was perfect. We played all sorts of teams. We played West Virginia to Villanova to all the ACC teams. So we got a lot of variety of teams and how we need to defend each one. So the way our staff puts together film for us is second to none. So we should be prepared for this game just like any other.
Try to prepare to the best of our abilities to be ready for this. But again, thankful to be here, of course, and excited about the opportunity in front of us.